Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm heading out on safari soon, but I'm going to biking safari. So I needed some bike shorts. So I got these ones here. These are men's mountain bike shorts by, I guess, MTB Cycling. Maybe that's the brand. I don't know. This is what it looks like here. My size is medium, what I got, but let's try these things out, see how they look, see how they work. I've gotten a few different styles from different companies, so I'm going to try them out and see which ones I like the best. But this is what this one looks like. Can I go back a little bit? There we go. So you can see it's got pocket up here. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to try this on for you. So just hold on 1 second. I'll turn you that way while I go this way. Oh. Okay, I am back. So this is how they fit. I'll show you guys that right first. So can you see? Yeah, there we go. Move the stuff out of the way. So it's got a pretty nice fit. It's got pockets very up high, so that's good. So things won't fall out the sides, which pockets would normally do. And then it's got some pockets over here, so I can keep some goo, my phone, whatever I want. It's even got zipper pockets over here for extra stuff. So some chamois butter and things. It's got a liner on the inside, very nice. Does it have any pockets or anything? Nothing in the back, which is probably good because what would you put in the back when you're sitting there riding a bike? And it's got the padding back here too. So I'm going to take this thing off and show you guys what it looks like again on the inside. So 1 sec. Okay, back to my regular clothes. And you'll see on the inside here, it's got this padding here. So it's kind of a gel, I think like gel or memory foam maybe. Hard to know. Maybe it says it on here. Oh, VAYAGER. It's almost like Voyager, but it's the VAYAGER William Voyager. So, and that's what it is. So basically just a story about that, but these are cool. And let's see what size. I got a size medium, totally fits me. I'm about 172 pounds or so. So these are nice. I think these are going to be my go-to pair of shorts for the trip. I'm going to go buy these now in all the different colors because I like it. So thumbs up from me. Go ahead, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and link is in the description so you guys can pick some up for yourselves. Thanks. Bye.